That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia Whanganui tutu.
And hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
O wairia tarangi e tū nei, wairia te papa, e takoto nei, wairia. Te ara pono, te ara tika kei mui te aroaro, tēnei te reo warua hine maunga. Mai o te awa o raua, tēnei tō kai whakapāho, e mihi kawatu ana ki a koutou, nau mai, haere mai ki tēnei whakapāho tanga. This is the CNI First 15 Rugby, and today, kei te pakangatu e nei kapa, e nei kura e rua, ko Lindisfarne no roto mai. O kahonunu whenua, o tira, tēnei kura, o hato pētara, no roto mai, o Waikato. And this is it, whānau. Welcome to CNI First 15 Rugby. Ko hika pene taku ingo o koutou. Kai whakapāho whutuporo i tēnei wā. Me mihi kā tika. Ki a koutou, o tira ki enei kapa kua roa nei, e pakanga atu, e pakanga mai. Lindisfarne College, St. Peter's College, just a little bit around what's been happening this year. They last met, they've got a very, very big history actually, these two teams between them, and just going through and standings currently on the table. Lindisfarne are currently sitting second, 1 point ahead of St. Peter's. And this is a very, very important clash as we move through the competition. And also the last time these two teams actually met, you may remember this outing. There's generally not too much between these two teams. I ngā wā ka pakanga. And yes, there was only 3 points, 45-42. Lindisfarne were victors. They played away, which was at St. Peter's High School. And that was back not too long ago, in June, 27th of June. However, today, tēnei te pakanga nui, kei Whanganui e nei kapa. And as we can see, Lindisfarne are at home, ko rātou ke, te hunga, mana whenua. St. Peter's have travelled all the way down and have arrived safely. So we're going to go to our team sheets. We will reflect on these as we go, but anei te kapa, titira mai koutou, ki enei kapa, me mihi kā tika tēnei wāhanga o te tau, ko te haukainga tēnei, ko ngā pau mua, we have Griffiths, Timmins and Kovai Tupu. Ko ngā pau teitei, we have Harry Reid and Fletcher Dawson, ko ngā ringa raupā. We have Tho Simutoga and Allen, ko te tū whāngai. Be a big battle here. Ari J. Smith alongside Te Awarangi Puketapu Pene, te topatahi. Ka haere ki te parirau. Ko Britain Rawa, ko Pinfold, and ko ngā kaitaka wainga a i te rangi nei. TK Taylor, Fergus Bennyfield, forming a very, very solid combination throughout the year. E ko te haika i tēnei rangi, Reid Palmer and your impact players. Kei te taha, Bruce Hutchinson, Beardmore, Worthington, Tizard Munro and Mikaere ngā huka rounds off your team. Your head coach, Lorenz Simutoga and Blair Cross. What a combination that is. Your Lindisfarne First 15 team starring today. And as we head over to the manuhiri, ko taraiwa mai, ki hera taunga, we have ko ngā paumua Harvey, Zamet, Okuso, ko ngā pau teitei Moores, Barnes, ko ngā ringa raupa, Te Luca Oliveira, Trey Ross, Edwards, Hene is also our vice-captain. Ollie Barnes is your captain. And heading into another great battle up here with the two whāngai in the topatahi, Luca Morrison and also Luca Miller. Ko ngā pariro, i tēnei rangi Galloway, Rawa ko, we have a change here, Mata Kiri, ko ngā Kaitaka Wainga, Wailon Paki, Seke Clark, e ko te haika I tēnei rā, we have Jack Kasinai. On the impact, Powell, Thom, Johnson Bell, Joe Lang and Mitchell Bard, and your coach is Carl Perry. It's iwi, that is yours. St. Peter's School, first 15. As we can see here in Kahungunu land, Hiratonga, overcast. There is a slight, ever so slight northerly breeze today. We will be, generally as the teams come out onto the field very shortly, you will see those cap players with their caps. They'll put them on halfway, and then there will be an opportunity for these teams to takoto te manuka, as we say, lay down the challenge. We do know that Te Kura Tuarua, Kowhatu St. Peter's, they have a haka written by none other, Te Uri o Ngāti Haua, a Henare Waka. This is all around inspiring, uplifting, kia kotahi ai te kapa, all the things that they'll look to bring onto the field to inspire, uplift and unite. Speaking about unite, we must unite and thank all our amazing sponsors. Without that, we would definitely not be where we are. Ko te hunga e manaki nei I a tātou. Ko te taha pūtea tērā. So a big mihi to whakata Māori, first and foremost. Obviously without whakata Māori, Māori Plus, none of this would be possible. And we've got some great emails and messages throughout the season from just very, very proud parents that are unable to make these fixtures, but they are so happy that we can bring through this live commentary at the comfort of your homes. So neira, ka hoki anō ki te taha tautoko, Manaki. So the big sponsors for us are Whakata Māori, Te Tauta Whiri, Te Reo Māori, the Language Commission, Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Nativa Apollo Projects, Anchor, Ag Clubhouse. Ka nui ngā mihi ki o koutou. Big mihi to the sponsors. And also a big mihi to, these are the ones that get zero shout-outs. That is our production team, to our sound technician director, and also on-site camera crew. Ka nui ngā mihi. As you can see, what a great shot there of the whānau. Outstanding. We've got our social media content, but the pitch is looking dry. Just a few players that we've seen in the past, and definitely been a good battle with our two whāngai, Ari Smith and Tawarangi Puketapu, going up against Luka Morrison and Luka Miller. And anei te iwi, puta mai ngā kapa.
Is everyone available?
Oh yes, you can just see the intentions as they come out. Very focused. And as we see at the front, we have our capped players. And then in behind we have the rest of our players. Kei reira te... Just have the startling whero, red of the locals, Lindisfarne. They run out like they, as you may have seen in rugby league, under the post. And there they go. And on run St. Peter's. Kei te rongo tātou. There it is. Retief Francis Memorial Shield. Tēnei taonga. Play between these two very, very prestigious kura. Lindisfarne obviously founded in 1953. Presbyterian boys' school with deep roots in the Hawke's Bay. We will leave it to the young gentleman on the field. And I will be back after the haka. This is St. Peter's, Lindisfarne. 2 plays 3 on the table. Lindisfarne is currently sitting second. St. Paul's College is first. St. Peter's is third, and Wesley College, as of today, is in fourth. And Feilding High School is on the same points, but for and against a slightly different. It's a very big games around the motu. No reira, ka waiho mā te hau kāinga.
Yeah.
Sometimes it turns around and goes the other fucking way.
Oh yeah. Come on, Big! Let's go, London! Get the ball!
No reira, I te iwi. O ko tai te wā, kei te rongo tātou I te ihi, I te wehi. It's Lindisfarne laying down the wero. And we're away. Lindisfarne. Yes, it's got a hand to it. Oh, it's a friction here. Very early break. St. Peter's. Great covering tackle there. Ko te haika. Lindisfarne. Great covering tackle from Palmer. However, through the hands. This combination, this midfield combination. Yeah, once again. Anei, Luca, Morrison, Miller. All of this defence going backwards. It's how te kōrero te kaiwa wao. Outstanding start. Get a charge down from Lindisfarne off the kick-off, and then off we went down the sideline. Pinfold, found some open pasture. Correction. Kitty. But Palmer come across with a covering tackle. With an attacking line out here. 20 out. Lindisfarne scoreline, up they go. That's a great tahai te pōro. Up they go. Oh, they get to Kaiwa Wao. These teams, but they are not looking for field position. Big carry there, Pinfold, Benefield, through the hands. Oh, just find some open space. Palmer. Nice little, just a bounce of the ball, favouring the locals. You just hear the energy. Yeah, there they go, Hardy. Oh, definitely need to keep an eye on that midfield combination of Taylor and Benfield. Griffiths, off the Tims. Go again, Hardy. Oh, met very well. Strong tackle. Holds on to position. Yeah, a little bobble there. Both these forward backs are big in collision. And if you have just joined us, no mate. Tēnei. Whakangake Whanganui at Lindisfarne, St. Peter's, Cambridge. Lindisfarne currently sits second on the table, and St. Peter's third. Here we have halfback and steer the ship well. Some good front ball. RDJ Smith, he's built a good combination alongside Tawarangi Puketapu Pene. Yes, it slices off his left. He got out of that. Through the hands, and again, just quick shift. Quick shift there to the far side. Britain. Oh, look at the energy in the attack. Your big attack from Trey Ross. Kobe. More movement. Dawson. Just trying to get over that. There's Hardy. Here they come. Possession is everything today. Great defence, but they hold position well. It's really work hard there. Dawson, Zadi, but the adjudicator, he's found another harm in it. And I think they went mucking around before. They like to tap at Artie. Here he goes. Straight away to Reed. God, just bends the line there, Reed. Here comes out Timms. Him again. Tested here. Anei, whiu haere, kei te kai takawainga te pōro. Benefield. Whai awhina. Whangai te pōro. O kei tanga whakamua tonu. Neri Smith. Ari. O katahi te oma. Throw. O ko tāhai te pōro. St. Peter's. Oh.
Shocker.
And that was a very, very timely turnover from St. Peter's, but Lindisfarne, ko tai mai, ko tahi te whakaaro, kia anga whakamua. Oh yeah, managed to get over that well, St. Peter's. They'll just look to exit, relieve a little bit of pressure. And they have, but they've thought twice there. That was a great clearance from Miller. Under massive amounts of pressure there. But once again, Lindisfarne all over the possession today. Yeah, Paita Peke, Hunter. Oh, adjudicator did see, yeah, was running them best position and not straight. Yes, and that's going to take the free tap. Morrison. Big work, just looking to get some quick pill. It's a big carry. Yeah, it's a bit, yeah, just slightly high, definitely not deliberate. Nice out ball there, and Clark, Bucky. You can just see the passion of the locals. And that support when you're at home looks amazing. It's a bit chilly. Here we are now. Regardless of the conditions, the supporters have come out. Impact. Yeah, there's the Koira Te Karanga. But here we have an attacking line out. St. Peter's first time. Some good bill. Zamet. Tonga Paimua. Oh, and ko Tāhai. Tāhai. Lindisfarne. Harry Reid got up contested. Move the ball, yes, Pene moves it off. Big call there, big run. Simotoga. Yes, Awarangi, I tell you what, Puketapu Pene. Definitely looking to move the ball. Some looking for my hands, but we will do our best to keep you up to date. Currently 9 minutes into the first half. Joe Smith gets up with Pene. He's elusive. Plays what he sees. Ball in front. Just a little knock on there, a little bobble. And I'll tell you what, big mihi to the adjudicated referee. Has been in the excellent position there. And we also do apologise if you do hear some kupu that we shouldn't be hearing. The mic is very close to the passionate supporters. However, hoki mai, tēnei Whanganui o te kēmu. Defensive scrum here. Morrison, the feed. That's a big push. Miller, he may just look to exit and just relieve some pressure. Downfield punt, big punt. That's an excellent kick. Outstanding kick. That may be, yes. They maintain possession. 50-20 kick from, that's a huge kick from Luka Miller. Relieved massive pressure. And then we have an attacking line out. Roughly on the 22. Lindisfarne has done well to get up and try and steal that, but they've maintained position here. Just see Salmon at the back there. Also Barnes. This is good work, this Feilding more. Oh yes, it just lost it. And once again, our man on the spot. The adjudicator, the referee, he was right on that. It's knocked on. And just see some wonderful communication also between referee and player. I could just see in the background there's a slight breeze in the back. See the trees there, slowly picking up. As I said, this is a 2+3 on the table. We do move into big stuff today. Yes, oh, that's a beautiful inside ball. It's going to be barnstorming today, TK Taylor. And again, oh, that's a beautiful fend. Oh, great tackle there coming from Galloway, wrapped up the ball in the tackle. Had to be done. It's good position. They maintain position very well here. The locals in red, Lindisfarne. It's a great low tackle again. Coming in from Barnes, vice captain. Oh, and on the ball, Palmer, Reid, gets up for Pene. Head down. Just recycling the pill here. St. Peter's doing well defensively. It's sucking a bit of juice. And TK Taylor. Haida Tonu, Palmer. Show and go. Beautiful. Definitely stop momentum there with a hit. Once again, Dawson, Smith, the back TK Taylor. Pai te o mai ngari. O I reira te kairotu. Hato Petara. Oh, just poking his head through Hunter. O Kaiawai, go away out to Sam Britton. Everyone's sharing the workload today. Hunter. Te Haika. Te Terms. Oh, beautiful. This Palmer. Reid. TK Taylor. Hard to stop. Oh, anei. Katahi te rutu. Kaya wai Ari Smith. Ke te kimikai. Uma. Yeah, anei. Killian. Ari Smith. Whakawātea. Oh, ki te ngā pau teitei. Reid Dawson combined. Anei. Kaya wai. Bennyfield. Oh, katahi te haumaru. Engari. Rutu anō, he kia, ngā rutu. Enei wāhanga. Ari Smith. Puketapu pene. Outstanding tackle. Kātahi rā te rutu. Engari, au te tuhaere te kōro. Oh, ka whai pero a Lindisfarne te haukainga ki te parirau. Ki te kōkona. Kātahi te pero. Just so much position. So much pressure. Ani te mutunga ipo. He piro. Outstanding from the locals. They take the lead 5. No, just the wealth of possession. Hard to handle. It's almost like St. Peter's have been on defence 90% of this half, and a big mihi to the locals, just how they maintain possession. Were very patient. Ko te hua, whai piro. Kai te taha, te kai whana. Connection, and hea ngā kōrero. Hako, mai te taha. There we have it. Lindisfarne take a early lead 5-0, and we will endeavour to get the try scores named to you. Nei te waiata o te haukainga. Koia, waiata mai, St. Peter's. And just, oh yes, slippery pill. Yes, how te kōrero. Moving through again, nice work. TK Taylor. This is the exit coming through. Oh yes, another great carry. Lindisfarne. They're shown, oh, that's Katai Te Tahai. Big turnover there. So he's in there. Just see Lucas clearing the ruck there. Oh, no. Third time St. Peter's have been down this end of the field. They generally back their line out. Luka Miller, Topatahi, up to Petara. Zamet. Last time we were in a similar position. Harry Reid got up for the locals and stole the ball. Whanoko. Attacking line out on the 22. Zamet with the throw-in. It's going to go to the front. Good call, nice change-up. Great adjustment. Rolling more there. Morrison. Miller. Oh, wait on Paki. Hāngai, Maro. And aren't they just quick pill? Oh, katahi te rutu. And they're asking questions at pātai to pātai. Oh, yes, Zeki Clark. Oh, katahi te rutu. Zeki karawai tāho te rutu. But Miller, he's gone quick with a quick tap off. And he's found her. Dotted down at Miller. Well, ka hoki ki te hāmene, he rutu ka ki, was a high tackle, ref was right there, penalty on the spot, Luka Miller. Quick tap and he piro. So we have drawn it all up. And they didn't need a second invitation there. Te kapo hatu petara. There we have it. Right, rima ki te rima. And we have an outstanding game for us here. Speaking of outstanding, me mihi ki ngā sponsors, Whakaata Māori, Te Taurewhiri, I Te Reo Māori Language Commission, Bailey Real Estate, Caltex, Tiva, Polo Projects, Anchor and Clubhouse. Te kai whana. Connects well. Wow. And Jack got the hike of the fullback, St. Peter's. He'll grab the bag of chips and there we have it. St. Peter's lead, the locals. Whitu ki te rima. Ai, kei te rongo I te haukainga e aki ana. O rātou kapa. Kei runga noa tu te hunga tautoko. And they plug it up. Yes, as you would. Barnes. Oh, o tāhei te poro. And Ari Smith. Ano, Ari. Kamikai oma Fletcher. Oma hangai oma maro. Okay, Lindisfarne te poro. Kei te Kamikai. Haere tonu, TK Taylor. Oh, kōwai atu. Penfield. Ari Kerera Ari. Timms. See the headgear there, Timms. Gets around the paddock. Ari Smith, anō. Oh, Katahi. Kaiawai. Oh, Uma Whangai, Harry Reid. Ngari reira te haumaru. Hato Petara. Ari Smith. Poke tapu. Oh, ko whai. Pero. Sam Britton. Ki te kōkona anō. Tāhonei ko raru te wāwai. Taku mōhio. Pero te urua. Tēnei. A Britton. There we have it. Whai pero. A Lindisfarne. Hei runga no atu. Enei haurua. Enei wāhanga. Kia mōhio mai. 35 miniti te roa. O ngā pakanga. Kei Whanganui ngā kapa. Ki tēnei taumata. But they answer straight back. Whai pero. Ki te kōkona. Almost identical. In that left-hand corner. Nei. Taiho. Kai whana. And how te kōrero. Oh, so close. Score remains 10-7 to the locals. How te kōrero. Nei, kai wawau, kai te ata whakarite. Two plays three, Lindisfarne sitting currently second on the table. And there's only 1 point between these two teams. Here we go, TK Taylor. Nā kai takawango, kei reira. Hea te kōrero ai, kua tāhai. Whakai, oh. So hungry, aren't they? Oh, nei. Jack te kai whana. Sinai. Luka. Cameron Moores. Luka again to Miller. He's running the cutter. Hard and direct. Cycled well. Salmon. Luka, Miller. Mahangai looks like Haika no. Luka. And they wail on Paki. And they're doing well to contain him. Very, very awesome pakanga in the Kaitaka Waiang and the centres today. Luka. A little short turn off to Ed Batini, vice captain. He's over that, come through, out to Kōrero. Yeah, Miller. Short ball, Miller. After Luka Oliveira. Oh, Miller. Maintain possession. Good tussle. And they're just slowly warming up the motor here. And they, Siki Clark. Great run. They're keeping them honest. Wailon Paki. Yeah, and a little knock on, but both teams definitely challenging each other. Sharing the workload also. Just saw a glimpse of Paki and Clark. Outstanding battles all across the field. You've got Taylor and Bennyfield, apologies. Up against Paki and Clark there in the midfield. Puketapu Penny and Ruka Miller. Smith and Morrison. And I'll definitely leave the front row stuff to the front row. They're having a little bit of a cord, a little bit of a wānanga. Yes, hard to whakatau. We'll get a reset. At the other games today, St John's Hamilton playing at home. Back alive here. Oh, Te Hookie. Just electric. Slices down the sideline. XV Rugby today. Engari. Ireira. Ta Te Kaiwa Wao. The tacky player was there. We may have substitution. We'll get those numbers to you. We may have had an injury to Britain and Gus Munro may be on, but that is unofficial. Here we are now. Attacking line out again. The Manuhiri. Oh yes, they've been disrupting the line out all day today, Lindisfarne. They've been getting up, putting pressure, and they find reward. And they've said, hey, we want to play free float. TK Taylor. Oh, done well. There goes. Tēnei Haika. Lindisfarne. Palmer. Hard to call it out to Kaiwa. You're not going to get away with anything today. The ref, sideline, very good combination, working in tandem, as they should. Kātika, great kotahitanga amongst our Kaiwa. Now there are a few other games today around the Motu. Feilding High School host, or they play Matamata College in Whanganui. It'll be makere mumu, but what a push here from Lindisfarne. Big scrum, and Miller managed just to get it. Big ball out wide. Watakiri. Oh, back into Clark. Chip through. Just a bit too far, but if we go way back to where that scrum was, and Lindisfarne by all accounts definitely had the advantage. St. Peter's calm, liking how Luca Miller is very, very calm. MΑORI toe. We've got a scrum here, knock on. Ki te kai wawao. Just like that. Well, Pau te rua te kauma 50 minutes here, Hoama. 27 minutes gone. Just like that, 10-7. Lindisfarne leads St. Peter's, Cambridge. Second place, third on the table. St. Peter's win today, they will jump into second. And out front, by 1 point ahead of Lindisfarne College and St. Paul's. So there could be some big movements today. Big movements today. Because e hoa mā ko te tō tēnei kēmu. Ko ngā whiringa whae tēnei, this is the semis, and winner goes through to the final. St. Paul's. Play Wesley in the other semi, but live here. St. Peter's, Cambridge. Kai rata te pōro. Mila, ke mi kai oma. Oma maro, oma hāngai. Hana, Wailon, Aki. Te pōro. Luca again. Just looking for some quick pill here. Luca Mila. Miller's, he has a little dab there. Not afraid to run at the line. Here goes Clark. Same again. Miller. Mitchell. Morrison. Miller. Jack. Off his left foot. Oh, there goes Miller again. He's just steadies the ship. Here we go. Wailon Paki. Lindisfarne defence is up to the task. Very well organised. And there we go, Mitchell. Morrison. Miller. Clark. Through the hands. Oh, puts down the... Bit of speed out wide there from Matakiri. Just shy of the line. Out the court. Oh, whai pero. Para. Whai pero. Just like that, St. Peter's. And it could be our man, Clark. Moreira, just like that, they strike back. St. Peter's. Both these teams play beautiful attacking rugby. That position is everything, isn't it? Field position and possession. Arai Homa. There we go. He slotted one from a similar position. Jack. Fullback. CNI. Oh, it just hits the post. Scores remain the same. 4 minutes remaining in the half. And this is, yes, as we say, defeating a Whaiati semi-final here. And the other semi-final, St. Paul's, Wesley College. And that is played at St. Paul's Collegiate. So, updated. But for now, 12 plays 10. 2 tries apiece. And the difference is the conversion, which could prove costly in the long run. And make sure we get these numbers, if not shortly, of the try scorers, we will in our highlights. Morrison, Miller, he'll look just to exit Miller. And here we go, TK Taylor. Hard man to stop. Galloway. Another speed bump in the room and done well. A lot of passion in this game. Smith. There's Reed, stopped in his tracks. Dawson. There's Reed. Losing a bit of... Here's Taylor. St. Peter's defence has been organised too. Puketapu Pene. Passing the ball outside. Pinfold. Through the forwards, Reed. Zammit. Timms. Beautiful ball off. Off just Lucy Hunter. And no, play on. Maybe all over it, but through the hands, catch and pass, pick it up a penny. Trying to find a... That's a good carry. Smith. There we go again. Timms, steadying the ship. There he goes. Palmer. Smith. The open play here. Pinfold. Oh, look at this work from St. Peter's. And they've managed to turn the ball over. St. Peter's, Cambridge. Turns it over. Here we go. Just looking for field position now. That's some good pressure on the kick. Here we go. Jack, slice it down the wing. He's going to have to do his best to hold it. Maintain position. Oh, that's a turnover. Bird turnover here. The last minute of this half. And you can just see the pace of this game. There's a few hands on Hope. The output that these young gentlemen have put out today has been outstanding. Attacking rugby. And they're going for the line-out also, back in their line-out. They've been very good defensively also today in this farm in the line-outs. However, the only difference between these two teams, up they get. Hunter, Puketapu, Taylor. No, looks like our Katai Te Oma, Sumitoga. But just a bit of pressure there. Puketapu Pene gets back. Clark's right on him, all over him defensively. Finds the ground. And Smith looking for another runner. Good feet. Position. And they'll just keep attacking again. That's a great carry. Kovaitupu. Smith. Service has been quality today. That's a good tackle. Held him up well. Managed to stay in. Stayed in well. And he can just listen to that support, passion. Reed take it down well. Through again. It's this ball movement here. Bennyfield looks like it's part of it. Support. Here's Smith. Darts out of the base. Oh, Puketapu Pene. Still running fresh. And not sure what that is. Half time and tight. There we have it at Iwi. Lindisfarne Trail, St. Peter's, 10-12, and we will be back shortly.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whiako pauri hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raura ki MāORI Plus.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through a tough time. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, we're about to have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki Māori Plus me whakaata Māori.
Hey. Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MΑORI Plus on your devices.
Oh, no mai hoki mai e te iwi. And what a splendid first half we have. St. Peter's lead Lindisfarne 12-10. And what I can tell you in the other semi-final, right now, that is correct, St. Paul's College lead Wesley 21-19, just shy of half-time. So that's another close game also. Very similar to this, only 2 points in it. And another big crowd up there. But turning back to this game, we saw just, I think the Kote Whakaaro is attacking rugby. And we've seen today a double from Britain, but he has been replaced. Gus Munro has come on. And on the other side, we didn't quite get a number for our try scorers. However, something that's going to prove very, very big today will be the conversions. St. Peter's Jack, the fullback, he's popped one over and just hit the post from out wide. So watch the space at D-Week. But here we are, back for the second half. And yes, I dare say there's eyes on both games. As I said earlier, St. Paul's Collegiate lead Wesley College 21-19. Just shy of half time, and the winner of that game will go to the final. Who will play the winner of this game? Whiringa whai te ena, final, second half, we're underway. St. Peter's to kick off. Lindisfarne to receive, but they've got the ball back, and we can just see here, we will get these substitutes to you. 18 has come on, Ollie Johnson. Ollie, e te teo ngā pau teitei. Morrison, Mala. And Clark there through the hands. There's Jack. The Paki Clark combination. Morrison, Mala. Nei te kai o ma. Loose full tip. just got a back position. Miller shows. Wow, look at him slice. And Miller, Luca Miller, outstanding. Certainly utilised the outside runners, and I'll tell you, St. Peter's, they have come out at half-time. They managed to maintain position off the kickoff. Had some very straight, direct running. And Miller, he's a very calm operator. Apologies here, our microphone is quite close to the spectators. However, Jack, who was 1 from 2 today, and I dare say, he'd throw this over. And St. Peter's, Cambridge, they have done what you need to do on the road, and that is silence the home crowd. And a little bit stunned here as they score straight off the bat. But I can say Ollie Johnson has come on, number 18. And we will get his replacement. In the past, he's been a potato, Ollie, so he's on. And we can just see also Gus Munro, 21, has replaced also the Lindisfarne try scorer, Britain. But here, Anei Te Mahiate, there goes Miller, and he's, that's a good tackle from Benefield. And, oh yeah, and just a bobble there. Yes, that's just what they needed. Lindisfarne, and you can see that support. We have another substitute on also. Extra Thom, 17. Johnson, Thom have come on. St. Peter's have added some impact off the bench. And in time we will find out who they have replaced. And it looks like Thom could have moved into the front row, replacing Harvey. It's a big scrum. Look at Tapu Pene, Benefield. And they managed to hold him up. Out to call out to Kaiwawao. Yes. And the ref may say turnover. Yeah, they've done well to hold him up. That is huge in the context of attacking rugby. Most times that Lindisfarne have ended up in the 22 of St. Peter's have come away with points. Benefield, they've done well to hold up Benefield. But also, on the other hand, definitely Lindisfarne with a very powerful scrum. TK Taylor, looks like he's been substituted early. TK Taylor, he's had a great game also. And we'll get his replacement shortly. And defensive scrum, attacking. Obviously, look at that connection. Oh. And Morrison. Beautiful kick from Morrison. It's a great kick. The crowd there full deep on the sideline. Tim's with the throw-in. Been all around the field, Tim's, along with his Paumua Griffiths and Pavaitupu. Smith, Puketapu Pene. Oh, it's a great run. Oh, just a change of strategy there from Puketapu Pene. Steering the team around, and he decided, I want to play rugby in your half, put pressure on, and maybe even get a turnover. Yes, and we have seen Mikaere Ngahuka has come on to replace TK Taylor. Tim's again. Have Zammit. Oh, just gone behind him, Morrison. Yes, and this is his pressure. Puketapu kicked the ball in the corner. asked the question, and they found a sneaky little error in goal. And Muller didn't want to risk anything. Handed over possession. We got Artie Smith. Quick up of pennies on the left side here. Up inside we have MΑORI. MAORI, Ngāhuka. The open side. Multiple options here for Lindisfarne. And as we said earlier in the call, there was only 2 points that separated their, apologies. St. Peter's got up the last time they played. 47-38, that was at home. Sadi, Smith, to Whanganui. That's a great run. Oh, wow! Just like that. Palmer. Reed. Let's go Marima. Outstanding. One off the scrum. Palmer steps up when they needed it. He goes back to the man running the cutter. Puketapupene decided to change strategy. Rautaki kicked the ball, put pressure on St. Peter's Cambridge as they exit, and they did. They caused an error off the scrum. There we have it. Try, and even more so at the 2. And Jack Jay, correction, with the conversion. 19 leads 17, St. Peter's Cambridge over Lindisfarne. 25 minutes, 28 minutes roughly remaining. And the other semi, St. Paul's College leads Wesley 21-19. We go through the hands. Yeah, here's some fresh legs coming on. Kaire on there. Ngāhuka. Gus Munro also got involved. Smith just a bit of pressure at the back of the scrum, but cleaning that one up. Yep. Kai Votapu, and the adjudicator said there's a little bobble in there. Sammons, Smith. There's a bit of frustration there. And then he can hook him out to Kimu. You can see the jackets out, and it's a little bit cool on in the hook paper. Scintillated and hot on field. This is the CNI first 15 rugby. Unite defeating of Whaioti. This is the semi-final. And as always, we must whakaata Māori, Māori Plus, brought to you live. Attacking scrum here. Off the ball there, Paki. A slow ball, Miller. Coming through there, just nearly snuck through. It's Morrison, Miller. Oh, look at the great work. Wow. Slow, it's Morrison. 2 minutes to get the ball. Back that's looking for a halfback. Big mitt there, Johnson. Done well. It's Morrison again. Te Teonga Paumua, Harvey. Morrison, Clark, Paki. Has a look, goes himself. Anei, Tata, out to good, out to Kaiwa Wau, held up. Oh, beautiful. Great work from Matakiri, Clark, Paki, Muller, Morrison, and also Ollie Johnson. He was the first set of that ruck, and he played halfback, which was what they needed. That's a huge defence from Lindisfarne, and they make the end of this. If they are victorious, that'll be a big moment of the game. It's a Big clearance there. Massive kick. Here we go off to Clark. Try scorer, Clark. He's a big, strong runner, isn't he? And Morrison through Te Taonga Paumua. A lot of work there. Miller. Yeah, Paki, Wailon. Been hard to handle today. Well, he's all over the ball there, is he? No, not quite. Yeah, George Edwards, senior vice captain. He's been everywhere doing those jobs that go unnoticed. Miller again. Oh, yeah. Tell you what, he definitely backs himself, doesn't he? Spots a gap. It's good work from Jax. Going back to the open side. He sees Morrison. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's the speed slicing through, but great. Round the legs tackle there. Had to be made. Unfold. Oh, just poking a nose through there. You see Morrison. Hanga Paumua. Yeah, Kobe Trey Ross. Another one that's been doing a lot of work in and around. There's Miller. Yep, all there Paki. Stays on his feet. Wow. Big, strong runner, Paki. Try-saving tackle there. Miller. It's going to go through the hands. Yeah. A little bit unsure, weren't they? It's a good kick, but they're going to come back for the knock-on. A little indecisive there at the base of that. They're going to come back for the knock-on there. It's good defence. Lindisfarne, again, been asked a question. They stood up to it. And got a penalty here. Penalty here from the ref. They come from the sideline. You said earlier on in the game just how well these adjudicators work together. I'll tell you what. Morrison's going to tap and we're going to go. They can sense here. I don't think he's close. He had a little dab there by himself. The defence from Lindisfarne has been outstanding today, especially around this area. Oh, and how te kōrero five pedal. They were patient, weren't they? Wow, that's a big moment there. These young gentlemen, they sense an opportunity and they take it. 24 lead 17. 35-minute halves. And it was great defence in this farm. They've helped them out a couple of times. And unfortunate, there was a penalty. 24-17. Jack with the kick. He's 2 from 3 today. Steps up, just hooks it to the left. Yeah, you can just feel. There's a few more twists. Tēnei Pakanga, Whanganui, Lindisfarne, St. Peter's Cambridge, fitting a Whaiati semi-final. And if you have just joined us, kia ora. Kia ora whakata Māori, te tau te whiri, te reo Māori, Māori Language Commission, Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Nativa, Holo Projects Anchor, and Clubhouse. Can't thank our sponsors enough. There's a kick-off here. Coming through again there. Kobe, Trey, Ross. Yeah, George Edwards Henny and Vice Captain. And they've been doing a lot of work in and around the ball. And look at this, Morrison got Miller. Have the possession ball back. Interesting. Yeah, we get it. Mahuka. Placement on for TK Taylor. It's another big run. It's good to see these players back on the ball. Reid and Dawson were huge in the first half. Following this, here's Puketapu. Pene. And you can see exactly where his mind's at. He plugged one earlier on. They come away with points. Hanga koro, and we can just see the locals smile on the dial. Te te pōtai Rongonui up the wās. Anei. Te here. It's Kaiwa Wau. Ka tau te Mauri. A lot of passion here. Semi-final. Winner goes through to the final. A lot on the line. Kai te kōreruia ki tēnei tokorua. They've both had great games today, Smith and Zammit. Both very, very important players in the team. Here we go. And there's Zammit. With the few. Oh, yeah, call. Big steal. They've been getting up on all the lineouts today. One of their strengths, actually. And gets up the penny. They'll put this up in the air. Oh, beautiful take there. Come through Jack. Slicing through, don't they? They've got a lot of speed out wide. If they manage to stop that raid, attacking raid. Katai te oma. Early pull here is Morrison, Miller. It's looking up through Clark, Waylon. Back off was right for big tackle. Great tackle there from the front rower. Homewood, Ruffus. And they just love that winger on prop. Here goes Miller. Yeah, he's been all over it. Reed, all close. He's had a great game, Reed. Coming through. Oh, big dummy. Here it is. Paki, Clark. Turns it over. Big steal there, big time. Comes through with the ball to number 52. Big Callan. That was a big steal. They're trying to hold him up here and they might have taken him out. And they have. It's to hold him up. Take him out. It's a very important passage of the game. Ene Miniti. Te kauma whitu e toia na. You can just hear the reward for a good performance. Great stuff there. You find gentlemen, that's a knock on. Yes. You can just feel it's there to be taken. Just someone's got to take this moment, just a couple of moments. Ko te rautaki like the strategy of Puke Tapupeni. He's looking at plugging the corners, forcing St. Peter's, Cambridge, putting them under pressure. Yeah, Lindisfarne been a real strength of their game. Scrum. And all we see there, Lindisfarne. Got William Worthington thins on. He's coming to the loose forwards. Worthington. Miller is definitely tends to run the ball more than kick, but I dare say we're getting some messages from the coaching staff. Here goes Jack. He's been quite a handful. Morrison. Here's this little short side. But this is this high risk, high reward style of rugby that they play. And Clark steadies it up. They definitely like to punch through. On the ball, Mitchell. Muller again. Come through. Palmer. He's had a good game, Palmer. Today, trying to hold him up. That's a great run, Kobe, Trey Ross. Yeah, another knock on. Yep, phase. Looking to play some phase rugby, build pressure. Not really looking to kick to the corners at all. But here we go, back again. As we said, 19's on. Worthington thin. credit where credit's due. These forward packs have just been going at it, giving everything. This is real strength here. This is a good, we had a dig at it. Yeah, refs should play on here. All to be contested. It's Palmer. Puketapu Pene. We're back, and the locals, they have got an attacking penalty. Smith P says we're into it. We're not going to muck with Griffiths. Straight and hard like he has all day. Through to Timms. Little inside ball. Here we go, Harry Reid, just short. Timms, head down. That's a great tackle, and having to hold on here, aren't they? Reid again. Smith. How to call it? They might have turned this over. And they have. That is huge. That's a great kick also. Here we go, Gus Munro. Moves the ball out. Done well. Mahuka. A couple of players on him, was under pressure. Look at this. And speaking of pressure, they just blow over this. St. Peter's, Cambridge. Wow. Smith gets up and pin it in again. Puketapu playing the percentage rugby. He's kicked deep, then he just put a nice little chip in behind. And they got him to contest it. And Kotehua, they found themselves with the ball again. And they've been knocking for some time now, Lindisfarne. Puketapu Pene, he decides to have a run. Benefield there clears that more for him. Palmer, he has been, he's a very, very damaging runner. Yeah, playing halfback here. Hunter. Smith again. Yeah, that's a great run. Timms. Back through there, Dawson. Asking the question. Puketapu Pene. Palmer. Through their hands there, Worthington thin, catch pass there. Mikaere comes through Griffiths. They've generally done really well off the back of Griffiths. It's a good front-on tackle, but Lindisfarne, they tell you what they are here. They're attacking. Score close to the post. Through the hands, Big Reid. He's been definitely asking the question. Smith through the hands, Benefield. There we have it, Fergus. Benefield, timely. Such a timely try there, and could be drawing this one up here. Kick to come. Current score here, 10 minutes remaining. Kick to come, St. Peter's, Cambridge lead 20. Draw it up. There we massive kick in the context of this. That is 24 all, 9 minutes remaining. And in the other semi-final, up the line, 17 minutes remaining in that one. And Wesley College lead 24-21. Back here, St. Peter's, Muller with the kick. Yes, and this is the percentage rugby. What a kick. This is a huge kick. Oh, and unlucky. Definitely feel like that breeze behind. But you, by no means, would not go against the thought to exit there with a big kick. Definitely connected well, and we've seen through the CNI and the Super 8 just the contact that all these young players get, both male and female, schoolboys, schoolgirls. But we can tell you there is 11 minutes remaining in the other semi-final. St. Paul's Collegiate trail Wesley College 21-24, 9 minutes remaining. And here, wow, 24 all. Luatiko mawha, ki te Luatiko mawha. Kai hatu pitara te poro. Morrison. O engari. O oma paro, oma hāngai. Tēnā kai oma, and we've got a arm. Oh, just a little tap off there. Retains possession. Wow. Some of the skill set, Mitchell, DeLuca, Oliveira, Morrison, Mala. A little show and go there. Oh, nearly had a good dig there. Mala. Great tackle there from Benefield, the try scorer. He's got his hands on it, Morrison. Going to come back for the penalty. You can just see the locals' tails up. Definitely back in their defence. And I do see Hugo Beard was also on for Lindis. Hugo. Just seen. Oh, and they are going to a attacking line. Apologies, we have been cutting in and out the live feed that is on ground today. Apologies. There's been some technical difficulties on site, out of our control. But, okay, and they've been, oh, just gets up, Johnson, well done. He's been solid since he's come on, but here, look at this. Oh, here. Just managed to maintain, whoa, come through, Waylon, Pucky. Off he comes. Barnstorming. Johnson there, a little dig, and there we go. We will get, could be, the replacement. I'll get a correction, it does look like Ollie Johnson, if not young gentleman, that was huge in the context. 29-24 for Whaipiro or St. Peter's, and we have got, after the kick, there'll be 5 minutes remaining. These halves are 35 minutes if you are new to CNI. But I'll tell you what's not new, and that is ko te pūtea tautoko. Big mihi tu whakaata Māori, MāORI Plus. Tauta whiri te reo Māori, the Māori Language Commission. Bailey's Real Estate, Celtics, the Tiva Apollo Projects, Anchor and Clubhouse, and also you. Koutou e mātakitaki mai ana. Jack steps up, 3 from 4 today, Jack. And that is a big kick. We've got about 4 minutes, 30 remaining. Converted try is the lead. 31-24. And St. Paul's Collegiate, Wesley College. Wesley are leading 24-21 with 16 minutes remaining on that one. But here we are back live. He hit a taunga. Whakatahi te uma, Matakiri. And again, Kobe, Trey Ross, Ross Henny, Miller, Waylon Paki, Morris. Oh, look at this. It's good. It's a good tackle there. Mitchell. Catch pass through the hands. It's going to slice through. Jack. Wow, he's a bit of speed. Just gets on the outside. He's got a lot of speed. That's a great covering tackle from Palmer Reid. He stopped a couple of raids today. Catch pass through there. They're going to go through the hands here. It's outside, out wide. Steps back in. It's a good tackle again. Pennyfield was part of that. Show Morrison. Kicked it back. Possession. They've maintained possession. Here we go. That's another big run there. Ollie Harvey. Miller. Through off. Here's the try scorer. Ollie Johnson. He's got the tail up. There, Millie. The Miller. Shows. Loves to run this boy. And Pucky out wide. Trey Ross. Come through. Edwards Henny. And we said that players will feature late in the half. Come through again. Ooh, on we come. Looks like James Powell's on. That's a big run there. Another good tackle. Made him well there. Lindisfarne. They're coming through here. Morrison, Miller. Through the heads, catch pass. Here goes Clark. Clark. There we go. Just the weight of position, the weight of pressure. And Clark, ever so patient, Miller. Morrison, Miller, that combination. We see that trio, the Ringa Raupa, the loose forwards of Mitchell, Kobe and George Edwards, Henny vice-captain. And the later stages of the game really stood up. Fred had done well, just that position. Reira, tēnei wā, rua te kauma ono ki te rua te kauma whā. St. Peter's, Cambridge. This kick will be massive. We lost the connection on the kick, but I do know it's definitely 36-24. If anyone has got a correction, please correct us. But we are in the dying minute of the semi-final. St. Peter's, Cambridge, Lindisfarne have the ball, managed to turn it over. It's Miller. And they're tackling us hard at the end of this match as they did at the start. Here comes a bit of speed. 22's on. They've cleared the bench. Suki possession. Thom. Miller. He's got a lot of time, hasn't he, Miller? And on. Looks like Joe Lang. The time at Whanganui, Joe Lang 20. Good service. Short ball. It's a very short ball here. At Joe Lang. Miller. Through their hands here. Yep, Trey Ross, Kobe. Great tackle there. Here's Joe Lang. Miller. Here we go. Waylon Pucky. Showing the ball. Little check inside. Ollie Harvey. Right off the hip there, isn't it?
Jason.
Alright. Give me 1 second, mate. Whoa! How about I take a photo of this? And then I'll go photo. Oh, I'm wrong. Yeah, I'm wrong.
Tiwi. There we have it, full time at St. Peter's, Cambridge. Take this one out, the semi-final. They will go through to the final next week, which will be played in Taupo, and you can see the locals have definitely, you know, the local crowd are very proud of the effort. St. Peter's win away on the road, and we will wait to see who they play. In the other semi-final, currently St. Paul's Collegiate lead Wesley 28-24. No reire Tiwi. Not too sure if we're going to cut to any highlights. It's our victors today. St. Peter's, Cambridge, a win away in this semi-final, and they have booked a place in the final, which is next week, which will be played in Taupo. So, koutou mā, big mihi to Māori plus whakata Māori, everyone involved in both these teams, proud school teams. Hoi ka pina tēnei, nō kia tau mana manakitanga ki runga.